So if you have a rototiller and the tines aren't turning, the motor's running but the tines aren't turning, you're going to have one of two problems. First one might be the clutch. Clutch has pads. This is on the bottom of your motor, and what I have is a small earthquake rototiller. So this sits on the bottom of the motor, and what happens is the pads get worn. When the pads get worn, they don't engage, and then your tines aren't going to spin. The other problem could possibly be your transmission, and inside the transmission is a shaft. That's this guy here. This goes through, but you can see the problem on this shaft. The gear's totally worn out. Let's see if you can see it. There's only a few teeth left on there, so it would spin for a little bit, and then it would stop spinning until it would hit those good gears. The rest of the gears are bad. So instead of buying a whole new transmission, what you might want to do is just get yourself a new shaft with a brand new gear, and then that goes through here, engages, grease all this up, and it's not a bad job if you just take the transmission off of your earthquake tiller, and you can open it up. And this shaft, you'll have to take all the tines off the shaft, of course, and then you'll just put the new one in. You could order it online. Instead of buying the whole transmission, you could save a little bit of money by just getting the shaft. But like I said, if you have a tiller that's not spinning and the tines aren't spinning, it's either the shaft, the gears in here, or it's your clutch. And all these parts can be ordered online, so you can repair your tiller and get the shaft and the tines spinning again. And like I said, you don't have to order a whole new transmission. You just have to order the shaft, this guy here. Okay, hope that helps.